guys, thought I'll share with you today. I made a face shield out of 2-liter soda. So it's a very easy to make. You can use it when you go shopping. You can use it when you go anywhere. Really, it's protect your face from anybody touching you. Protect yourself from touching your face. And you can also make those and donate them to your local hospital. It's very simple. You just wear it like that, and I'll show you how to make it. It's 1, 2, 3. Just take a 2-liter soda bottle. It had to be a clear soda bottle, so there's no lines in it or anything. Take the label off, and you go all the way to the bottom, cut this piece out, and then to the top you cut this piece also, and then you'll open it back up. You can also use a scissor to cut it. After you cut it, you'll end up with something like this. And today you can use a two-way tape. That would probably work better. The one we use, for example, installation for windows and doors. But I didn't have that, so I decided to use this. This is used for concrete sidewalks, to fill in the cracks with it, and then you would caulk it. But I use this just to give it a little space and cushion for your forehead. This way it'll keep it away from your face, and it'll leave it a little bit of condition. You cut it up, and then you will glue it in there. I used heat glue today for that purpose, but you can use any glue, it doesn't matter. And once you're done with it, you punch a hole, one on each side, put a piece of rubber band, and you'll be all set. Very easy to make, and it's very protective, no cost to you. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something today.